preterite tense is used to talk about actions completed in the past.
Like if you said, the chicken jumped over the moon, the chicken completed the action in the past. So if you said the sentence in Spanish, you would use the preterite tense.
What happened to the cow?
She got replaced.
Where is she now?
Well, last I heard, she was jumping over foothills.
Coming up over the horizon are the preterite forms for regular AR, ER, and IR verbs.
Let's cover AR verbs first. Let's start with comprar, to buy.
Compré, compraste, compró. Compramos, comprasteis, compraron.
Compré el collar. Compraron unas gorras.
Here's an ER verb. Aprender means to learn. I didn't learn how to conga, which you probably know. Oh.
Aprendí. Aprendiste. Aprendió. Aprendimos. Aprendisteis. Aprendieron.
Here's an IR verb. Escribir. Escribir. Escribí. Escribiste. Escribió. Escribimos. Escribisteis. Escribieron.
Aprendí a cocinar espaguetis. Escribí un cuento para la clase de español.
Did you get all that? Here's your chance to find out.
Fill in the blank with the correct preterite form of the verb.
Escuchar. Ana, un programa musical ayer.
Ana escuchó un programa musical ayer.
Aprender. Javier, a esquiar.
Javier aprendió a esquiar.
Escribir. Ellas, el problema en el papel.
Ellas escribieron el problema en el papel. In English, the words this, these, that, and those have a fancy name. They're called demonstrative adjectives. You can think of them as pointing adjectives because they point out nouns. This shirt, that ball, those brains.
You've already learned the Spanish demonstrative adjectives. Este, esta, estos, estas, ese, esa, esos, and esas. But there are more Spanish demonstrative adjectives. More! Actually, there are just a few more that you have to know.
First, let's review este, esta, estos, and estas.
Este and esta mean this. The plural forms estos and estas mean these. These adjectives are used for objects that are close to you. Este libro.
Esta camisa clara.
Estos zapatos grandes.
Estas gangas. Ese and esa mean that. The plural forms, esos and esas, mean those. These adjectives are used for objects that are close to someone else. Ese libro.
Esa camisa clara.
Esos zapatos grandes.
Esas gangas. Now it's time for the new adjectives aquel and aquella, and their plurals, aquellos and aquellas.
Like ese and esa, aquel and aquella also mean that, but they are used to point out someone or something that is far from both you and the person you're speaking with, something that's way over there. So, aquel letrero means that sign over there.
If you're with a friend and the object is far away from you both, use aquel and aquella.
Aquel and aquella mean that. Aquel libro y aquella camisa clara.
The plural forms aquellos and aquellas mean those. Aquellos zapatos grandes y aquellas gangas.
Think you got that? Check your knowledge with this quiz.
Which demonstrative adjective is appropriate for the situation?
The object is far from you and your friend. Esta, esa, or aquella.
Aquella.
The object is closer to the person you are talking to. Esta, esa, or aquella.
Esa.
The object is close to you. Esta, esa, or aquella.
Esta.